Hi everyone! Thank you for visiting my channel. Today, a mother's favorite called Nikujaga, a meat and potato dish that is a staple for Japanese people. This uses the dashi stock we made in my previous video. Check the link in the description. You can buy thin sliced shabu-shabu beef and konjac noodles at the Asian shops. First, open a packet of konjac noodles, put them into a strainer, and wash well. Then using scissors, cut the noodle into short lengths. Add the konjac noodle to a pot of boiling water and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, strain the konjac noodle, rinse and drain the water. Next, peel the potatoes, carrots and onion, then wash them. Then cut the potatoes and carrot into bite-sized pieces. Now cut the onion into wedges. Put 1.5 tablespoons of oil into a pot and turn heat to meat and add the onion and cook until soft. Add the beef and cook it through. Then add the potato and the carrot and stir the vegetable until they are slightly transparent on the surface. Add the konjac noodle and stir well. Then add the dashi stock and the sake, mirin, sugar, cover with baking paper and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Check the potato and the carrot are soft, then add the soy sauce, recover with baking paper and simmer for a further 5 to 6 minutes. The soft boiled potato and the carrot soak up the flavor well and are delight for small children and big ones too. Thank you for watching. See you next time.